Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change my sending email from ConvertKit email. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the profile on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go for the settings. And from here, just simply go ahead and go for the email over here on the left side. And now from here, you should be able to see here your email address. And after that, just simply click on add from address over here. Just simply provide your name over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for my second account. And after that, just simply provide your second email address over here and click on add email. And once you have done that, just simply check your email on the email address that you just provided. So guys, the email will look something like this. And after that, just simply click on verify your email over here, or you can just simply copy this link. But in my case, I will do verify your email over here. And after that, once you have done that, you should be able to have your second account over here, and you can set it as default. And after that, you can click on set as default over here, and you can just simply delete your older one. And from there, you should be able to change your email. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.